Hey everybody, how's it going? I know it's been a long time, but I'm back in the saddle. I'm back at it again, and today we're gonna be doing the season finale review of Tejina Sempai, also known as Magical Senpai. So this has been one of my favorite animes in a very long time, probably since the Pokemon anime. When I was growing up as a boy. So this was a great show. I'm going to show you some clips or some pictures. Here's a picture here. Here's the original manga. So when appropriate, some of the okay. Yeah. So these are pretty good. It was a good show. And I'm gonna rate it now. So I'm gonna rate it. Here we go. Drum roll. Drum roll, please. Oh, sorry. Drum roll. I give it a 7. A 7. It was a pretty good anime at times. So we'll go into our pluses. So plus was it was pretty cute. Another plus is that it was informative. I learned how to do a lot of cool tricks, like the cup and ball trick. It was really cool. I liked it. Here's some minuses though. There are a couple minuses. One is that it's a little risque. I did not like some of the language, and some of the graphic imagery was a little weird, not inappropriate. Not excuse me, not appropriate for all ages. So that's a minus. Another minus is the flesh tooth. And I'll show you that now. So if we get, I'll just use this photo here. So I'll copy it, and then I will edit, paste. Oh, kind of zoom in. Kind of zoom in a little. There it is. Right there. It's just a little. It doesn't really make sense. It's just kind of a. It's like part of her mouth. It's a little creepy, and it's just not how I would have done it, you know. So in celebration of that philosophy I have, how I would do it, I'm going to make a cool little edit, and I invite you to join along. So I will paste this again, and it's black and white. I don't know how to undo that, so I'm just gonna make it real big. It's good, and we're gonna do some editing to make it look a little better. So what I would do is I like to we'll get this line here, and we'll get a nice little soft brush here, and crap. Sorry. Oh, and then we'll come. Sorry. Drawing a straight line is really hard sometimes. And I'll make it a little bigger. Damn. Sorry. Sorry. It's just it's a little difficult sometimes. Okay. Here we go. I think that looks a lot better. I think that looks a lot better. So that's my review. I'm just kind of saying farewell to Tejina Sempai because it's the end of the season, and I don't know if we're gonna get another one. But I really liked it, and I hope we'll get more shows like this. So I'm gonna put a link in the description if you want to download this picture, my art. Just make sure you credit me, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya. See ya. See ya.